Are you losing hope when it comes to Shiba Inu? That sounds like an infomercial. Are you losing hope? People need to understand that patience is the most important thing and the thing that you really need to have in this market, not hope. And I've seen this sentiment from people. People have been questioning their holdings, and they need to understand that we go through these periods of consolidation, these times where frankly not much is happening. And Shiba Inu has actually been gaining a lot of strength during this time. Now, what's very cool is that we actually just got the CPI report back, and it was actually good. So I'll get into that in a later video, but I want to show people that these past few days have really just been a shakeout. Look what the market's doing. Positive CPI report. We're seeing green. Shiba Inu on the pump. You probably can't see it there, up about 3.57%. So things are actually looking very good right now. But even despite this pump that we're seeing today, things have been looking good for Shiba Inu for quite some time. In fact, when we look at what holders have been doing over the last 2 weeks, periods of consolidation, not a whole lot going on, we've actually been gaining some strength in terms of holders. That resilience of holders has never really been a question. It never has, guys. Okay. We keep flirting with this 1.4 million holder mark and kind of getting rejected over the last couple of days because of the drops, the shakeouts that have been taking place. But what we've been seeing is, again, the same metrics we look at time and time again. This resilience in terms of holders, 76% of holders for holding for 1 year or longer, 58% of holders in the money, not selling. Me personally, guys, I'm very heavily in profit. I bought very heavily down in this fire sale range when it came to Shiba Inu, deep in the bear market cycle. I did buy up here, but guys, even though I'm heavily in profit and we're facing periods of consolidation and sideways trading, I'm not selling because I understand some of the best times are in fact ahead of us. The metrics for Shiba Inu have been looking good for a while. In fact, even if you look at some of these signals on Into the Block, mostly bullish when it comes to Shiba Inu. And that's just a gauge of some of these different metrics like the concentration of holders, large transactions, network growth, things like that. But what I want to point out is the fact that we have gone through these periods of consolidation many, many times before. This is not a new thing. In fact, even during the bull market cycle or the last bull market when things were rip roaring, four months straight of consolidation where price didn't move, just traded sideways. People did the same thing. Oh, Shiba Inu's dead. It's not going on to make new highs. We're just going to fade away to nothing. And then boom, things exploded. What people need to know is typically what happens is the longer periods of consolidation you have, the more strength that you show in those times, the more explosive of a move you tend to have out of it. All right. So now we'll wait and see how the market digests the data today. Sometimes the market gets a little reactionary. Note that today we do have those two big things happening. We have the CPI report, which again was good. We have the FOMC meeting, which hopefully should reflect some of this good CPI or the CPI data as well. But I just want to share that with you guys. I appreciate, as always, excuse me, the resilience of holders shouldn't be a question. You don't need hope. You just need patience. You need to let the market play out because I'll tell you what, the height of the bull market cycle is the time where things truly get exciting. So I appreciate you as always. Have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.